Hello everyone, in this lecture the difference between irony and sarcasm is explained in detail with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn irony. Irony is a figure of speech in which the intended meaning of the words is the opposite of their literal meaning. What does it mean? Simply, it means that irony is nothing but just a figure of speech in which we say one thing and mean the opposite of it. In other words, you can say when the speaker says one thing but means the opposite. So, this is called irony in English literature. I think still you are not getting the point. So, don't worry, just look at these examples. I love waiting in a line for hours. Look at this example. Basically, if someone says this sentence, so, he is being ironic because most people would find waiting in line to be a frustrating experience. As all you know that waiting in a line is very painful job, but when someone says like, I love waiting in a line for hours. So, he means the opposite of this sentence. He means that he does not like waiting in a line for hours. So, you can see the speaker says one thing and means the opposite. So this is known irony. This is the best food I've ever had. Observe this example. Just imagine if the food is not good and you tell your friends that, this is the best food I've ever had. Actually, you don't mean that the food is good but you mean that this is the worst food I have ever had. Again, you have said one thing and mean another thing. So, this is also irony. I'm so good at math. If someone has recently failed his mathematics paper and then says, I am so good at math. So, he has said one thing but meant the opposite of it. Simply, he means that he is bad at math. So, this is called irony in literature. While on the other hand, sarcasm can be defined as. Sarcasm refers to the use of words where someone says something but means the opposite, often with the intention of mocking or conveying contempt. What does it mean? Simply, it means that sarcasm also refers to the use of words in which a person says something but means the opposite of it. But, in sarcasm the speaker has an intention to mock or insult another person. Actually, you should also remember that it is type of irony but in this one the speaker has intention to mock or to convey contempt. I think still you are confused. So, just look at these examples. You're so smart. Look at this example, when someone commits a mistake and another person tells him, you are so smart. So, the speaker is saying something that is obviously the opposite. He is actually insulting the person's intelligence. Basically, the speaker is not actually saying that the another person is smart. But he is expressing his disapproval of the person's intelligence. You can say, he says one thing but means the opposite, with intention of mocking or disapproval. Oh, that's a brilliant idea. When someone suggests a complicated solution to a simple problem. And then you say, oh, that is a brilliant idea. Basically, it is not only the opposite of intended meaning but it also conveys the message of contempt or by this way another person is ridiculed. You're a real genius, aren't you? Look at this example. If someone commits a mistake and he is not competent at his work and then you say, you are a real genius. Basically, you mean the opposite of this sentence. Actually, you mock him or ridicule him that he is not genius. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.